Hi, so let's actually now graph something. So we've got the equation y equals x squared plus 5x plus 4. That factorizes to be y equals x plus 4 times x plus 1. And we can tell from that that our y-intercepts is when x equals 0. And so that would be 4. So the actual point would be 0, 4. And our x-intercepts is when y equals 0, so x equals -4 and x equals -1. So we get -4, 0. Our x-intercepts are -4, 0, and -1, 0. And then the axis of symmetry, remember, lies in between that. So we work that out by doing -4 plus -1 over 2. And that will give you -5 on 2, which is -2.5. Or you can use the equation y equals x equals -b over 2a. And then your vertex, you plug those numbers into that equation. So y equals -2.5 squared plus 5 by -2.5 plus 4. And you can work out what that is. Now, if this is all going a little bit too fast, just go back and watch some of the other videos of how we worked out each of these steps. Remember also, you can get it off your calculator. So y equals -2.25, and I got that off the calculator. Again, if that was too fast, just go back and watch the other videos of how you do that, and you can get all that information off your calculator. But however you get the information, you now have all of that, and you can plot it, okay? We know that y equals -2.25. That means that our vertex then is, remember the x-coordinate of the vertex is the same as the axis of symmetry. So our vertex is -2.5 and -2.25. All right, so now I'm going to graph that. So I'm going to put in my lovely straight axis. That's not very straight, but never mind. And I'm going to go from, again, I'm going to get an even scale, 4 to -4, 0 in the middle, -1, -2, -3, -1, -2, and -3. And on this axis up here, well, I know I have to go at least to -2.25, so I'll just go down 1, 2, 3. That would be -3 down there, -2 and -1. And 1, 2, 3 up here. Hopefully with the same scale. So really important again to have the same scale, and that's easy to do on graph paper. So I'm going to plot my points now. My x-intercept occurs, my y-intercept, that's the first thing I've got there, occurs at 0, 4. So I'll just extend this up here so that I can put 0, 4 on there. So my y-intercept is at 0, 4. And that's my y-intercept there. All right. And then my x-intercepts are at -4, 0 and -1, 0. Then my vertex is -2.5, so that's halfway in between here. And on the y-axis it's -2.25, so it's about there. All right, then finally I'm going to draw my axis of symmetry, which is going to go straight through my vertex. So I draw that as a dotted line with arrowheads on it, and I actually label that one as x equals -2.5. Really important to label the things. So here I could also label that one as -2.5, comma, -2.25. All right. And then I'm just going to do a bit of join the dots. So draw a nice curve. It's got to come through -4, y equals 4. I'm going to come down to here and around. And hopefully you can do this better on your paper, and then up through there and back up. And it's going to be nice and curved. So it's going to come through there like that. And I've drawn my parabola. So I've just got to draw these 4 things on: axis of symmetry, vertex, 2 x-intercepts, and my y-intercept. And I've drawn my graph. That's how you actually use all that information that we've worked out how to find to graph a quadratic.